I will show you the 15 most difficult words to pronounce in aviation. During the English of Aviation course, many of my students ask me about these words. Let's get started. Okay, this is the first word. Aerobatics. Aerobatics.
Aerobatics.
I had heard some people say aerobatics. No, aerobatics.
Aerobatics.
Okay, the next word is aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics. This letter is complicated. Okay,
Aeronautical.
aeronautical. This letter here. Aeronautical. Aeronautical.
Aeronautical.
Okay, the next one is this.
Autopilot.
I had heard some people say autopilot. Okay, but the correct form is
Autopilot.
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 Autopilot. Autopilot.
Autopilot.
Autopilot. Okay, very important word.
Aviation.
Aviation. Aviation. Aviation.
Aviation.
Okay, the next one is D.
Departure.
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 This one.
Deviation.
Deviation. Deviation. That part is the pronunciation part. Pronunciation part.
Deviation. Frequency.
Frequency. I had heard some people say frequency. Okay.
Frequency.
Frequency. Okay. This one.
Gyroscope.
Gyroscope. Gyro. Gyro.
Gyroscope.
Gyroscope. Gyroscope.
Gyroscope. Hydroplaning.
Hydroplaning. Hydroplaning. Planing. Hydroplaning.
Hydroplaning.
The next one is
Maintenance.
very important in aviation.
Maintenance.
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 Maintenance. Switch with vocabulary.com.
Navigation.
Navigation. Oh, very hard word.
Satellite.
Satellite. Satellite.
Satellite.
In other languages, the pronunciation is absolutely different. Like in Spanish, satélite.
Satellite.
Okay, very important in aviation too.
Throttle.
Throttle. Your tongue is important here, between your teeth.
Throttle.
Throttle. Throttle.
Throttle.
Throttle.
Turbulence.
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 Wow, that is pretty hard too. If you are thinking those words were generated in ChatGPT, no, it wasn't. Here I will show you the 15 words created by ChatGPT.
Aerodynamics, aeronautics, altitude, fuselage, hydraulics, hyperspace, icing, meteorology, precipice, precipitation, propeller, stratosphere, thermodynamics, transponder, turbulence.
If you know of other complicated words in aviation, please let me know in the comments. See ya!